Listen up, content creators. Have you been struggling to find the perfect one-man band setup for your videos? Are you at a point where self-timer isn't really cutting it and getting yourself in focus is a pain? Do you wish your camera could track your motion, keep you in focus, and be completely operable from the spotlight? Your dream solution is finally here. Say hello to the OBSBOT Tail 2, a groundbreaking new AI-powered PTZR 4K live production camera. But aren't PTZ cameras just for live streams and security footage? As a content creator, you may not have considered the advantages of what is generally viewed as a security camera. As an affordable yet robust PTZ camera, the OBSBOT Tail 2 makes professional-grade production more accessible, while providing an expanded shooting range and multi-camera adaptability for content creators and videographers. The OBSBOT Tail 2 is an innovative PTZR camera not only useful for conventional PTZ camera applications, but for any form of creative content creation imaginable. This camera has everything from seamless transitioning between horizontal and vertical shooting modes to stunning AI subject tracking capabilities. Building on the legacy of the OBSBOT Tail Air, the OBSBOT Tail 2 takes innovation further as the world's first 3-axis PTZR 4K camera. This camera harnesses AI innovation to enhance auto-tracking precision with intelligent subject recognition, as well as expanding its range of trackable subjects to include such things as animals and groups of people. The Tail 2 is now capable of identifying over 30 animal species and 200 objects. Start instant AI tracking for humans, animals, and objects easily with double-click tracking in your OBSBOT mobile app. Content creators rejoice as you can control the Tail 2 effortlessly from extended distances with intuitive hand gestures. The device enables AI tracking activation, zoom adjustments, and recording control through natural hand movements, making solo content creation seamless and highly efficient. The OBSBOT Tail 2 possesses a unique auto-tracking Only Me mode, in which your camera ensures unwavering focus on your selected subject. When activated, Only Me mode maintains exclusive tracking on the selected target and actually ignores other potential subjects. For group scenarios such as live events, video conferences, and group presentations, there is also a handy group tracking mode, wherein the Tail 2 intelligently maintains optimal framing for all detected people in the field of view. Each of these auto-tracking modes has completely adjustable tracking speeds and axis tracking, keeping you in control of your content while minimizing the hassle. Yet another advancement that sets this guy apart from the rest is its 5x optical zoom. As opposed to the usual digital zoom found in other PTZ cameras, the OBSBOT Tail 2 is equipped with a high-performance optical system for professional video capture. The system is comprised of a 12-piece optical lens array, all-pixel PDAF for focus accuracy improvement, and a state-of-the-art compact Pro Zoom lens. Tail 2's hybrid zoom reaches up to 12 times while maintaining excellent image quality and enhancing frame details. The OBSBOT Tail 2 captures stunning 4K at 60 FPS and 1080p at 120 FPS video on a 1/1.5-inch CMOS sensor, ensuring it always captures exceptional detail. Zero quality loss vertical shooting, auto leveling system for perfect horizon alignment, and R-axis stabilization for vibrating environments. To meet the demands of professional live streaming, the Tail 2 boasts an impressive array of connection interfaces, solidifying its position as a go-to tool for content creators and broadcasters alike. So, what do you think? Would upgrading to the OBSBOT Tail 2 setup seriously take your content creation to the next level? I think so. Let us know how you'd use this innovative system to boost your workflow in the comments below. I'm Riley with B&H. Be excellent to each other.